Welcome to another journey of cultural discovery, where today we're delving into the heart of Aotearoa, New Zealand, to explore the ancient Maori craft of Harakeke weaving. The Maori people, the indigenous Polynesian inhabitants of New Zealand, have held weaving at the heart of their culture for centuries. This art form, steeped in history and spiritual significance, is not merely a craft, but a narrative, a language, a testament to their deep-rooted connection with nature. Join us as we uncover the spiritual and cultural significance of weaving in Maori society and how this tradition is kept alive today. Our exploration begins with the Harakeke, or New Zealand flax, the lifeblood of Maori weaving. This versatile plant is more than just a resource. It's a symbol of life and identity, deeply rooted in Maori culture. There's a wide variety of Harakeke, each with unique characteristics that make them suitable for different types of weaves. From the strong and sturdy kinds used for ropes and baskets, to the softer types ideal for clothing and fine weaving, the Harakeke plant showcases the diversity of Maori weaving traditions. But it's not just about taking from the environment. The Maori people practice sustainable harvesting, ensuring the Harakeke continues to thrive. They only pick the outer leaves, allowing the inner shoots or children to grow and replenish the plant. This careful balance of give and take reflects the Maoris' deep respect for nature. We'll visit a flax bush plantation to learn about these aspects. With our expert weaver, we delve into the spiritual connection between the weaver, the Harakeke, and the environment. Maori weaving is more than just a craft, it's a spiritual journey. Each weaver establishes an intimate connection with the Harakeke plant, respecting its life force as they carefully extract its fibers. This spiritual bond extends beyond the plant to encompass the entire environment, reflecting the Maori belief in the interconnectedness of all living things. The practical aspects of Maori weaving are equally fascinating. The weavers are storytellers, their hands deftly intertwining the flax strands to narrate tales of gods, ancestors, and everyday life. Each pattern carries a unique narrative, a testament to the weaver's skill and creativity. But weaving isn't just about storytelling. It serves many practical purposes in Maori society, from weaving warm cloaks and sturdy baskets to crafting sacred items for ceremonies. Every piece has a functional role. Discover how every weave tells a story or serves a purpose, from clothing and baskets to sacred items used in ceremonies. Now, it's our turn to try our hand at this intricate craft. Under the watchful eyes of our local expert, we plunge into the world of Harakeke weaving. Beginning with the raw materials, we learn how to select the right Harakeke leaf, a skill honed through practice and patience. The leaves are then carefully stripped and prepared, a process that requires meticulous attention to detail. As we get the hang of this, we move on to the weaving techniques. The beauty of this craft lies in its simplicity, a series of basic steps repeated with precision and care, transforming humble flax into works of art. Whether it's the rhythmic over and under of a basic weave or the complexity of a twill pattern, each technique brings its own charm and challenge. Finally, we embark on creating our own piece, a tangible connection to this age-old tradition. We'll start creating our own piece, experiencing the meditative process of weaving firsthand. Weaving is not just about preserving the past. It's also evolving with contemporary Maori artists incorporating traditional techniques into modern art. Today, we're stepping into a gallery vibrant with the colors and textures of modern Maori weaving. Each piece tells a unique story, marrying the old with the new, the tradition with the innovation. This artistic evolution is not just about creating beautiful pieces. It's a testament to the resilience of Maori culture. Through their craft, these artists are ensuring their heritage remains relevant and alive in the 21st century. They're weaving threads of cultural identity into every piece, preserving their past and shaping their future. We'll see how this art form is evolving while still maintaining its cultural significance. As we conclude our journey, we ponder on the significance of community in upholding traditions. You too have the chance to join this dynamic weaving community. Participate in online workshops, or if possible, tour local exhibitions and cultural centers. Handcrafted items to assist the artists and keep the art of Harakeke weaving prosperous. Bear in mind, every purchase is not merely a transaction. It's a contribution to a legacy, a narrative, a tradition. Making sure this beautiful art form survives for generations. To immerse yourself in the world of Maori weaving, fly into Auckland International Airport and make your way to a weaving workshop or cultural center. New Zealand awaits, inviting you to unravel its rich Maori heritage. Intrigued by the art of Harakeke weaving? If you've enjoyed this peek into Maori culture, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more adventures into the world's diverse cultures. Share your thoughts or experiences with traditional crafts in the comments below.